Hello guys, welcome to Let's Go Primes. So today we are looking at this question and Olympiad mathematics. So we have to solve log x base 2 plus log x base 3 is equal to 5. You can see that this different log, okay, log with different bases. So before you can solve this, you need to change it to common base before we can proceed. We have log x base 2 plus log x base 3 is equal to 5. Okay, so we also know that log b base a is the same as log b over log a. So this is a law of logarithm. So our expression now becomes log x on log 2 plus log x on log 3, which is equal to 5. Looking at this, we can factorize log s out, okay? So to do this, we can get log x, okay, into brackets 1 on log 2 plus 1 on log 3 is equal to 5. Okay, so with this, we can also say that so with this log x, we can look for the LCM, which is log 2 log 3, okay? And log 2 goes into this log 3 plus log 3 goes into this log 2 is equal to 5. But don't forget that we also have this rule that log a plus log b is equal to log ab, okay? So our expression becomes log x bracket log 3 bracket log 2 all on log 2 log 3 is equal to 5. We get, to simplify this, we get log x bracket 3 times 2 is 6. We get log 6 on log 2 log 3 is equal to 5. Do you get it? Okay, so in this case, we can decide to multiply both sides of the equation with the denominator of log 6. Okay, so you can say that log x into brackets 6 log 6 on log 2 log 3 multiplied by log 2 log 3 is equal to 5 multiplied by log 2 log 3. Okay, so this log 2 log 3 we take off the denominator here, so cancel out, leaving log x log x log 6 is equal to 5 log 2 log 3. Okay, so we can make log s a subject by dividing through by log 6. So we are going to get log x is equal to 5 log 2 log 3, okay, on log 6. So with this, we can let the constant stand alone, okay. So we're going to get log x is equal to 5, see, multiplied by log 2 log 3 on log 6, like this. So let's simplify it further. So get log x is equal to 5. Then this can get log 2 on log 6 multiplied by log 3, like this. Okay. You can divide both sides by log 3. So dividing both sides by log 3 log 3, see that this will take off the log 3. So we are going to get log x on log 3 is equal to 5 multiplied by log 2 on log 6. Okay. And also in logarithm, we have this rule. It says that log a on log b is the same as log a base b. Okay. So we are going to use this expression to simplify this and this. So now our left hand side becomes log x base 3, which is equal to 5 multiplying log 2 base 6. Okay, to simplify this nicely. And also we have another law. We have log x base a is equal to b. Okay, so if this, let me say, if log x base a is equal to b, then x is equal to a exponent b. Okay, so we are going to use this rule in solving. So we are going to get x, so in this case it will be x is equal to 3 because of the base. So if we compare things, our x is this, then our a is 3. So it's going to be x, which is this, is equal to 3. It's going to carry this as a power, this expression as its power. Okay, so 5 multiplied by log 2 base 6, like this. And also we can also say that s is equal to 3 exponent 5 brackets, then exponent log 2 base 6. Okay, but we know that 3 exponents, we know 3 exponent 5 is equal to 243. Okay, so we can say that x is equal to 243 exponent log 2 base 6. So our final answer is going to be x is equal to 243 log, so 243 exponent log 2 base 6. So this is our